Warm weather's here, and the Japanese countryside is exploding with life. While it's a wild party outside, we're keeping our heads down and pushing forward on the ceiling renovation of our Japanese house. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning visitor, welcome back. We're Canadians living in this Akiya, one of the many abandoned homes in Japan. I'm Mika, this is Jessie, and this is our dog Pancake.
It's warm today.
Yeah. Warm today, huh? Ready? Look at what my muscles did. Ugh.
We are on a mission to complete two things. First, finish the insulation and papering our ceiling. One thing Jessie is handling with the framing is creating a gap for airflow between the insulation and the exterior wall.
Hip hop.
As Jessie gets the final framing done, I follow behind installing insulation and paper. We've been getting some questions about our insulation and papering, so I wanted to take a moment to explain what we're doing. Our insulation has built-in vapor barrier packaging. Since we couldn't find the usual poly, we used Tyvek, an extra measure that provided a neat way to tidy up the insulation before installing the drywall. It's all about making it work here.
I'm gonna do this. Someone's gotta live it.
After a solid day's work, our neighbors stopped by, bringing treats for Pancake and the latest monkey news.
目が合って、こりゃ入ったら逃げた。困る。
あれで人間ですよね。
パン君とワンワンワンワン吠えて。ワンワン吠えてよ。お猿さんを威嚇してよ。困るで。いいよ。
These wild bandits are the talk of the neighborhood lately. With a growing uptick in monkey encounters, we're constantly racing them out of our gardens. Some with little ones in tow.
No, you don't.
While this year's new monkeys are undeniably adorable, their appetite for the neighbors' gardens is less so. Our only defense is to pick those tempting fruits and vegetables before they fall prey to the monkey horde.
Okay. Wanna come in?
Jesse's away at work for most of this week, so I'm solo finishing this installation. Let's get it done once and for all.
Okay.
If you're like me, you're probably ready for a change of scenery. So let's take a break, grab a coffee, and take a moment to enjoy the spring beauty around us. All right, enough dawdling. Let's get that papering done.
It's so hot up here.
What have we done? Want a chocolate? Looks good in here. Yes, insulated house. Insulated for a little pupper dog. He's gonna be so snuggly. And then he's gonna be in the air con. He likes air conditioning a lot.
Hello, hello. Hi. Okay, off you go. Okay. Did it just cut two pieces of the same thing?
Hey. Nice job.
Look at my cutting job up there.
Yeah, that looks a little savage. Looks like a velociraptor trimmed that one for you. Nice job. Looks very tidy. Let's just leave it like this. It's done.
Next up in our house renovations will be drywall, so stay tuned for that. But before we get there, I'm planning a spring special video showcasing the best of the Japanese countryside during the springtime. Do you have any requests or what kind of things you'd like to see? Feel free to drop your ideas down in the comments below.
Oh, that's hot.
And thank you, as always, to everyone who has subscribed and liked the video. If you're interested in an extended version without voiceover, you can find it and other videos like it on my Patreon. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Okay, off you go. Okay. No.
Just pull it off. Do it later.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Stop now.
Finishing it. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm gonna
Get in the
piece
sun.
this on.